Hello.
Viewers, welcome back to Ready Kid Foods, your channel of amazing recipe, modern recipe, African traditional recipe, festive recipes. Like today, guys, this time is for how to make some breaded chicken with coleslaw. So stay tuned. I have 3 thighs, chicken thighs here with me. There are 3 large ones. I'm going to use them to make breaded chicken. Here I have breadcrumbs with me, which I'm going to mix with paprika, garlic, and some coriander, powdered coriander. I also have some salt to taste. And then I have here my cabbage and my carrots. I have mayonnaise here that I'm going to use, and I have some sugar for the coleslaw. So kindly watch this video. First start by boiling using salt. So just add some salt to it so that when it's boiling, salt can also get inside there. So guys, what I'm missing here, I have also eggs. So you also have to use eggs. So stay tuned. I'll start by boiling my chicken thighs. So meanwhile, while my chicken thighs are boiling, let me continue with the carrots. Many people have been asking me how I do this salad. This is one salad that is very... So guys, you just create it the way I'm doing it here. If you have, I'm using this kind of creator because I want them into small. So it depends on the size that you want. Especially for the KFC salad or KFC coleslaw, we use this small one. So then here is also my cabbage. You must look for a fresh cabbage, then not the whole of it, you can just take a portion of it. And guys, make sure you ratio. You get the small amount, the amount of, consider this amount of carrots blended, grated, and the cabbage. So we have 2 ways of doing it. You can do it with a grater also, though this is a bit slow. So for me, can also cut them, but when you're cutting them this way, make sure they are very, very tiny. So you mix everything, you put them in a bowl first, then mix them up. So make sure the portions are okay, then mix them first. I'm doing. So guys, when you're making this, make sure you do it. So make sure it gives you the most attractive look that you might need. Then I have 1 egg here, but guys, egg yolk is optional because already we are going to use mayonnaise. So here we have 2 tablespoons of sugar, but sugar will give the salad that good taste. Just to remind you that egg yolk is not a must, it's optional because we are going to use mayonnaise, and mayonnaise has some egg yolk. It's done with some egg yolk, not unless you're using eggless mayonnaise, but I prefer egg yolk because it gives it another taste. So guys, it's done. Let's keep it aside and now get back to our chicken. So I'll work on my chicken now. This is breadcrumbs. Uh-huh. Put at least some breadcrumbs. Then we are going to add in some. This is curry powder, depending on the spice that you love. You can use any spice of your choice. Then after curry powder, we are going to use garlic powder. So this is garlic powder. Just to give it that taste of garlic. Remember guys, I don't using garlic, I like garlic.
Paprika.
So this is also paprika. Just a teaspoon of paprika. Then now mix everything well together. So if you love, you can also add some salt, though we use salt when we are boiling that chicken.
Once this is done, next I'll beat my 3 eggs. So make sure you beat things well. The other is done. Now let me get my chicken. My chicken is just boiled, and now what I do is take them out. Just too heavy.
So guys, I'm going to soak my thighs here, chicken thighs here in this egg. So let me just create a space, then make sure every part of this chicken is marinated to this egg yolk or eggs, the hair that is. Make sure you do it well. Then coat it with these breadcrumbs. Make sure every part of it is well coated, guys. Then now you can deep fry it. Put it inside this, then deep fry it. So guys, you have to be keen. Don't let it turn black. Make sure every part of it gets the oil. So this is just okay. Take it out. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Then continue the same. Repeat the same procedure again. So finally, guys, these are my breaded chicken thighs with the coleslaw salad. So guys, this is a very nice recipe. Let me just serve the coleslaw. It goes well with the coleslaw. So this is very nice, very much loved by kids. If you have kids, that time you're having your nyama choma with your friends and your guests, make sure you make such kind of recipe for your kids, or even KFC. So as you take your kachimbari or guacamole, you let the kids also take this with coleslaw. Let me just try it, guys. It's well cooked. Just see this. So guys, make sure you try it out. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.